Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure the battery is above 20% and the sensor area is clean. Oils interfere with scans. Next, set a backup lock, PIN or pattern, because enrollment requires it. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Security or Lock screen, and choose Fingerprint. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompt to start the capture process. This kicks off the guided scans that build your saved fingerprint template. Now focus on quality. Place the center of your fingertip on the sensor, then lift and reposition slightly to capture different contact points. This helps the phone learn edges and pressure variations. Repeat until the progress meter approaches 100%. Enroll more than one finger and include left/right edges and the pad for reliability. Make sure the sensor and finger are dry and free of screen protectors if they block contact. Once the phone confirms a complete fingerprint, move to Permissions and Usage Options. Finish by verifying the enrollment. Lock the phone and unlock it with each enrolled finger, trying different angles and pressure. Do this 5 times to build confidence. Then enable fingerprint use for apps, payments, and autofill where offered, and set any timeout preferences. If the sensor is unreliable, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll using a cleaner sensor and dry finger. Reboot the device if problems persist. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.